Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in my previous video we have solved exercise 6 of trigonometric ratio of subparticular angles from CBSE class 10th mathematics. Now in this video I am going to solve, actually in this video there are some CCE questions are also given here. This exercise 5 that I have already solved from R.S. Agarwal. Next exercise 6, next trigonometric identities. This chapter I am going to start. Now this is trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. Okay. Now what is the trigonometric identity? An equation involving trigonometric ratio. Equation involving the trigonometric ratio. Okay. Trigonometric ratios of an angle called the trigonometric identity. Okay. If it is true for all values of the angle, if this is true for all values of the angles. Okay. Now here are some summaries are given. That is, the first thing that we have to know is the formula, that is the equations sin squared theta plus cos squared theta, that's equals to 1. Next, sec squared theta minus tan squared theta, that's equals to 1. Next, cosec squared theta minus cot squared theta, that's equals to 1. Okay. Next, tan theta into cot theta, that's equals to 1. And obviously tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Understood? Next, here various types of examples are given in R.S. Agarwal. Various types of examples. Okay, these are the various types of examples are given. So I suggest you that you will go through the whole examples. Next, in this video I am going to start exercise 7a of trigonometric identity. So without delaying the time, let's start exercise 7a, trigonometric identity. Okay. First question. The first question is given that so that or 1 minus cos squared theta into cosec squared theta, that's equals to 1. We have to prove it. So here 1 minus cos squared theta means sin squared theta into cosec squared theta, that's equal to, this is cosec squared theta, that's equals to 1. Okay. Now that means sin theta into cosec theta, that's equal to the whole square, that's equals to 1. So that means, we have to show that that's equals to 1. So sin theta into cosec theta whole square, that means 1 square. So that equals to 1. Okay. So the first question is done. Next come to second question. Now what is given in second question? 1 plus cot squared theta into sin squared theta. Now 1 plus cot squared theta, Now 1 plus cot square theta means cosec square theta. So cosec square theta into sin square theta. That means cosec theta into sin theta whole square. Okay. So that means 1 whole square. That means 1. Proved. So next move to another question. EX7A question number 2. Question number 2, it is given that prove that sec square theta minus 1 into cot square theta that's equals to 1. So now here sec square theta minus 1 means tan square theta into this is cot square theta. We have to show that. Now this is tan theta into cot theta whole square means 1 whole square means 1. Proved. Okay. Next 2, sec square theta, we have to prove that sec square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1. Now sec square theta minus 1 means tan square theta. Cosec square theta minus 1 means cot square theta. That means tan theta into cot theta whole square. That means 1 whole square, that's equals to 1. Okay. Next come to question number 3. Another question is given. You should try it yourself. Question number 3. Question number 2 I am doing 1 plus tan square theta by 1 minus 1 by 1 by cot square theta. Okay. Now this means 1 plus tan square theta means sec square theta plus this means cosec square theta. Now sec square theta means 1 by sec square theta means cos square theta plus 1 by cosec square theta means sin square theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta means 1 would be the answer. Okay. Next move to another question. That is, we have to prove that this is question number 4. 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cot square theta that's equals to 1. Now 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta means 1 minus cos square theta 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta. 1 plus cot square theta means cosec square theta. That means sin theta into cosec theta whole square. That means 1 whole square, that means only 1. Next move to question number 5. Question number 5, question number 1. 1 plus cot square theta by 1 plus cosec theta. Okay, this is the LHS. We have to show that this equals to cosec theta. This is the LHS. So 1 plus cot square theta and this is 1 plus cosec theta. So here we are doing the LCM. 1 plus cosec theta is 1 plus cosec theta plus cot square theta. That's implying 1 plus cosec theta plus cot square theta. Cot square theta means from here cot square theta means cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, and this is equal to 1 plus cosec theta. Now this is cosec theta, taking common 1 plus cosec theta by 1 plus cosec theta. That means cosec theta proved, and this is the RHS. Next, question number 7. What is given in question number 7? Sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta, that's equals to 2 cosec theta we have to show. Now here sin theta 1 plus cos theta, this is sin theta into 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta into sorry viewers, this is 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. So if you take the LCM, so we should do, this is sin square theta plus this is 1 plus cos theta whole square. Okay, so that means sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta plus 1, okay, divided by 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Sin square theta plus cos theta, 1 plus 1, 1, this one and this one is 2 plus 2 cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into sin theta, that's implying 2 taking common 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 by sin theta, that means 2 cosec theta proved. Okay, next move to question number 8 is quite similar. Question number 9 I am solving. Now question number 9, this is cos theta by 1 minus tan theta plus cos square theta plus sin cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, that's we have to show 1 plus sin theta cos theta. Now here this is 1 plus 1, this is 1 cos square theta, this is 1 minus tan theta, this sin cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta. So first what we have to do, this is cos square theta, in this case 1 minus tan means sin theta by cos theta plus this is sin cube theta, sin theta minus cos theta. So obviously if we do the LCM, we get cos cube theta by cos theta minus sin theta plus sin cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, now if we taking minus common over here, so we getting cos cube theta by cos theta minus sin theta minus sin cube theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Now cos theta minus sin theta taking LCM, this is cos cube theta minus sin cube theta. Okay, cos cube theta minus sin cube theta means a cube minus b cube, so that means cos theta minus sin theta cos square theta plus sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta. Okay, and this equals to cos theta minus sin theta. This can be cancelled. This portion is equal to 1, so 1 plus sin theta cos theta. Okay, this proved. Understood? Next, move to question number 10 is quite similar. We are doing question number 11 right now. Question number 11. Now, what is given in question number 11? Let's take tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta by 1 plus cot square theta. That's equals to 1. We have to show that. So that means tan square theta we have to remain it 1 plus tan square theta. Cot means 1 by tan square theta by 1 plus 1 by tan square theta. Okay. Next, tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus, if we do the calculations, this is 1 by tan square theta, 1 by tan square theta, and this tan square theta will be the LCM, and here we get 1 plus tan square theta. Now, tan square theta should be cancelled. This is tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 by 1 plus tan square theta. Now, 1 plus tan square theta, this is tan square theta plus 1. Cancelize, we are getting 1. That is the RHS. Proved. Okay. Next, move to question number 13. Question number 13. What is given in question number 13? 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus cot square theta, that's equals to 1 by sin square theta minus sin to the power 4 theta. That's we have to prove. So here sin is present, so we have to make it 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta, 1 plus cos square theta by sin square theta. Now, taking the LCM, if we take the LCM, this is cos square theta plus sin square theta into this is sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta. This is 1, so 1 by sin square theta cos square theta. Okay. Now, this is the LHS. Now, taking the RHS, we are taking 1 by sin square theta minus sin to the power 4 theta. Here we are taking sin square theta common, 1 minus sin square theta. That is implying 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta. So here my LHS equal to RHS proved. Next, come to question number 15. Sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta, that's equals to 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. We have to show that. Okay. So first take the LHS, sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta. Now here this can be written as sin square theta whole cube cos square theta whole cube. So that means sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta mean 1 whole cube minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta into 1. That means 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. That's equal to the RHS proved. Okay. Next come to question number 16. I am solving one questions. Rest of the questions I am not solving. If you are have any problem regarding this exercise EX7A, exercise 7A, okay, of RS Agarwal math book. If you have any problem, then tell me in the in my comment box. Comment me in my comment box. Okay. Now question number 16. Question number 16. I am solving question number 16. Question number 2. And this question number 15. Question number 1. Okay. Now here this is 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. Okay. This equals to cosec theta plus cot theta whole square. That we have to show. Okay. So LHS is equal to 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Now 1 plus cos theta 1 minus 1 plus cos theta. That is why we are doing what we are doing, multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos theta we are getting. Okay. 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. Okay. This is 1 2 cos theta plus cos square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. That's implying 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta by this is sin square theta. Now this can be written as 1 by sin square theta, 2 by cos theta sin theta and 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Next move to another page. So first term, that is 1 minus sin square theta, that can be written as cosec square theta, plus the second term, that can be written as 2 cosec theta cot theta, 2 cosec theta cot theta. Third term can be written as cot square theta. Okay. That implying cosec theta plus cot theta whole square, and that's equals to the RHS. Next move to another questions. That is we are doing question number 16. Now question number 16 is done. Next question number 17. So viewers, from question number 17 we will continue in our next day. So hope you will understood. Okay, till then keep watching my channel, and please do subscribe my channel. Please support me. Thank you.